In this video, I'll show you how to stop automatic payments on Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so the only known and safe way to cancel an automatic payment for a specific date is basically reaching out to Cash App Support Center, all right? And by doing so, you can contact them through the app by selecting our profile icon here, all right? And then you need to check the support down below, right? Click on something else or just start a chat with a live representative and tell them that you wanted to stop automatic payments on your Cash App account, all right? And they'll be more than glad to assist you with any of your issues regarding about your Cash App accounts, especially with regards to the automatic payments. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next video.